Hey guys, it's Jadean. You can call me Jay, I don't care. I'm cool either way. Welcome back to my channel. If you know what that quote was from, then give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Today is the start of my Disney series. So in case you can't tell, we are in fact doing Sleeping Beauty. So stay tuned to see how I turn from this to this with just a wave of a wand. So we're starting out with the Kiko eye base in the colour neutral, and I'm just patting that on my eyelids with my fingers to set a nice base, and then blending it out with a beauty blender just to ensure that everything's nicely smooth. And now we're going in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury powder in the colour Banana just to set that. Now I'm going in with the Revolution Allure palette. I am using the colour Risky, and I am going to use that as my transition shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all over my lid. We're now going in with Suave, and I am just going to go ahead and put that in my crease only, just blending that in nicely. Now we're going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the colour C10.5. By the way, all the products mentioned in this video will be linked down below. And I'm now just going to go ahead and cut my crease with a small flat shadow brush. This particular one is also from Makeup Revolution. Big fan of their brand. I didn't mean for this video to end up being Makeup Revolution and Kiko only, but that kind of is what happened, so yeah. Don't be surprised by that. So I'm just blending that out, filling in all the gaps once I've drawn the shape. I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm quite proud of that. We are now going in with Magnetic and Flaunt from the Allure palette, and we're just gonna fill that concealer in with that. So first I'm taking the lighter shade and I am filling in the first half of my cut crease, just patting that on with a flat shadow brush that is from also Makeup Revolution. Now going in with that darker shade and tapping that in to the last remaining side of the cut crease, making sure that everything's blended in together. I'm now going in back in with that Makeup Revolution with a nice lighter purple shade, and I'm just blending that all in because I felt like the look needed to be just a little bit more pink for Sleeping Beauty. Now I'm going in with Nymph, and I'm going to go ahead and just blend that into my outer V, just for a little bit more dimension to this eye look. Now I am going in with the Makeup Revolution palette on my other eye, and I'm just using a nice light brown shade to set my lid and also use as a transition colour. I'm now going in with Tart Light, and we're just blending that all over the lid. Now going in with Macaw, which is a slightly darker blue, we're going to go ahead and pat that on top, just to give a little bit more definition and dimension to the eyeshadow. Now go back in with that Conceal and Define concealer. We are going to cut our crease. I love a good cut crease. I'm a bit obsessed with them. Just again taking that flat shadow brush and carving out the eye, making sure to take our time to make sure that we get that perfect line. Fun fact, this eye is actually smaller than my other eye slightly, so I have to work a little bit harder just to make sure that everything's symmetrical. We're now going in with Rio, that nice beautiful shimmery blue shade, and we are going to pack that onto the eye with a clean flat shadow brush. This one is actually from Bespoke Brushes, which you can get on Amazon. It's a pack of 16 brushes for $8.99. Highly recommend. I will link it down below in the description box. I'm now going back into that Birds of Prey and going back in with Macaw and just blending out the edges because we don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm going in with that Revolution concealer again, and I'm just carving out Aurora's crown above my eyebrow, just for a little added flair to this look. I'm using the Tammi Revolution palette, and I'm going in with that nice gold shimmery shade and just filling in what I have just drawn with my concealer. Now going in with some cute little gems that I found on Amazon and this Super Fix glue from a Halloween kit from Superdrug. I will be adjusting those at different points on the crown. I also use a bit of blue because just like the fairies, I couldn't decide. Now going in with the Reloaded blusher from Revolution in the shade Pop My Cherry, and the Kiko Baked blush in Panera Mauve. I am just highlighting obviously the normal highlighting points on my face, and yeah, just for a little extra shimmer for this princess look. I'm then using the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion lip liner in the colour 530 and just outlining my lips. Now going in with the Kiko Milano 3D Hydra lip gloss in Pearly Mauve. So this is the finished look, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, and you know the drill. If you're not subscribed, what the heck are you doing with your life? Hit the subscribe down below. Can I speak? Never. I cannot. Hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure that you turn on my notifications because there's a lot of new videos coming your way soon. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.